Yeah, hi Laz, it's Mark at FMAV. Okay, just to let you know that I've done your part. This is part number 2. Okay, so basically I've given it a full service. I've changed the laser, put a brand new laser in there, checked the micro switch and given it a good clean. Both cogs on this again are worn, so I just want you to know about that. And you know, I mean, these are very used and old units, so I don't know whether, you know, in a few years you're going to get issues with them. You know, I mean, the laser should be good and the board should be good, but you might get some issues with them later on because of the cogs and the motors. Right, so let me turn that one on for you and show you that fully working as it should be. There you go, you can hear the music playing there, jump straight in. And again, this has been tested. I've had this on test now for about an hour and a half and it's working without any errors and really good. So I trust that's okay for you, and thanks again.